Hi everyone. A few weeks ago we encountered a problem with our drone. Well, actually with the remote controller of our drone, in which it did not turn on after we have charged it. So we've seen in some YouTube videos that it could be due to its battery. So went on Shopee. Went online to purchase replacement batteries, and then my father successfully removed the old batteries, replaced it with the new ones, and so we got the remote control working. Now, currently, we also need to buy a new battery for a drone, by the way. Anyways, for just yesterday, we've encountered some problem with during the when we wanted to test the drone. There was a navigation system error, and there was no code, so we did not know what triggered the error. And at first we thought it could be because of the GPS module. We read it online that that could be one of the causes for the navigation system error, but it was not it. And then we also read that we could, what do you call this, we tried to take out the SD card and then return the SD card. We tried doing that. We also tried to refresh the software firmware of the drone, but still the navigation system error was there, and we were scared to take flight because, you know, what if it goes somewhere something. So yeah. And then recently, last night, my dad read that one particular user encountered same navigation system error, and there was a suggestion to try to reinstall the DJI Fly application. So that's what we did kanina. That's what we did a few minutes ago. And now my dad is going to try to unlock and fly the drone, and let's see if the navigation system error is still there. But we have reinstalled the application, the DJI Fly application, and now we're gonna let you see if it works. So let's go. So today, my father is holding the camera, my phone. I will be the one to turn on the remote and the drone, so you can see if, you know, navigation system is still there. Asa yung nag-on ang drone or ang kuan?
Remote.
We read online which one to turn on first, but okay, let's just do this. Oops. We'll input the pin. So we are currently, I don't know if you can see it, but here we have the DJI Fly app, and now we are waiting because there are no satellites yet connected. It has a the flight checklist says GPS signal is weak, so we need to we'll just wait for a few minutes to have the right amount of satellites connected for a safe flight. But this is looking good. We don't see the navigation system error anymore. We have the authorization.
Home point updated.
Oh, okay. So it says here, takeoff permitted. We don't see the navigation system error anymore. We have 13 satellites connected, but we will give it perhaps 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that the navigation system error is, you know, so not there. We've given it about 2-3 minutes, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but okay, here it says takeoff permitted, no navigation system error. We have 15 satellites, 14 connected, and now the drone is with my father, and we will try to test flight it. We'll test fly the drone. No navigation system error. We'll let it hover. Take off.
So we have here. It's a 19 satellite.
19 satellites connected. Currently, it's in flight. Its mode. And so okay, take off. Point updated.
So far, ito.
So that's the drone.
So for the movement of the drone, this has we don't have any recording with respect to our record. So the recording is starting. So before we're confusing of what is really the trouble of this drone. So we tried to some research. The wind is very strong. Some research, and we discovered last night with my daughter research just what we call this
Reinstall
the apps of the cell phone. Then the drone is already on hovering. So
wind is quite strong today.
we just test this for around, and the height is already on in right. It's there's only a small little error with this 3 point or 1. They are moving. So the wind is very strong.
Very strong. Okay, so here our drone is in hover. It's hovering. Yeah. So we conclude that the navigation system error we encountered, which has no code, so we were not able to fully search what could have been the reason. But that navigation system error, we just reinstalled the DJI Fly application, and yeah, we got it working. No navigation system error anymore. We were scared when we saw the error, because you know, what if in the middle of the flight it I don't know, falls, disconnects or something? Because we've also encountered before where there was an error, and the drone was in flight mode and we weren't able to control it, so it hit a wall. But currently all is good. It's quite windy in our area. You can't see it in the video, but it's windy, and please excuse my shaky hands. So our drone is a DJI Mini 2 drone, which this was bought, I don't know, I forgot, 2020 something. I think my father is trying to land. Oops, okay, there it goes. So going back to the remote, oh, that's my feet. Anyways, here we have CMO, takeoff permitted, no navigation system error anymore. And yeah, we have 19 satellites. So yeah, it wasn't a GPS module error, there was no issue. We just had an issue with the remote control battery that we have successfully replaced, that my father has successfully replaced. And now with the navigation system error we encountered recently, we just reinstalled the software, the DJI Fly application, and our drone is working. So if anyone encountered the navigation system error with no code, it's just navigation system error. It's just a red sign. It's a red warning sign. You just, I think, try to reinstall first the DJI Fly application on your phone, and you know, let's hope that in your case it works. Oh, by the way, my father's phone is a Huawei phone, so in case you're wondering.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. That's all that we've got to share for you guys.
This video can help you on your drone problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.